You might expect a trip to the theatre to involve a lot of sitting still in the dark. But for a talented group of our students, this trip was all about action and energy. Years 7, 8 and 9 headed to the professional Belgrade Theatre to open the Physical Fellowship Festival. Before taking the stage, they spent the day learning from industry experts. They teamed up with Fourth Monkey to master storytelling through movement and teamwork. Then, they joined Les Enfants Terribles, learning how to bring everyday objects and paper to life with puppetry. A final masterclass with Highly Sprung got them completely ready for the big stage. As the opening school, they went straight into technical rehearsals to test out the massive space. Their original piece, titled Gary, explores powerful themes of unity and celebrating our unique selves. When the stage lights went up, our students performed with absolute confidence. They opened the festival brilliantly, earning massive applause from a completely sold-out audience.